Hi, welcome to Dad's Simple Cooking. Today we're gonna make some ramen with eggs, and I'm also going to put some of this cream of chicken condensed soup in there. And it's really simple. So first I'm gonna smash the noodles before I open the container. If this is hard for you to do with your hand, you can use a can or something and just kind of roll it over. And then we'll open this up. And then we've got the seasoning packet. And then I'm just gonna fill this with water. Now I've got my 4 eggs. I'm just gonna grab a fork here and I just stir the eggs up good. And if you use these size bowls, it actually works good to cook both at the same time. So I just put those in my microwave together. And then the ramen packet says to cook them 3 minutes. I usually do it 4 because it makes it cook a little better and the eggs cook nicer. So yeah, we'll be back in like 4 minutes and we'll finish up the video, show you how to put it together. Welcome back. So it's been about 4 minutes now and this stuff is done. So I'm just gonna drain the noodles quick and then we'll put them right back in there. So it's just noodles without the liquid. And then I've got a 1/2 cup of that cream of chicken soup. I'm just gonna dump that right in there. That's just right out of a can that I just opened up, so I don't cook that or do anything special with it. And then this is what the 4 eggs turned into after they cooked for 4 minutes. Just gonna plop that in there. And then this is where I get kind of lazy. I just use scissors. I cut all that stuff up with scissors. I use scissors for a lot of things that other people would probably use a knife for. I just find the scissors to be easier for most things. So, there, and then I'll put the entire packet of seasoning in there. And then the only other thing I put in there is a little bit of black pepper. I actually put a decent amount, but that depends on how much of it you like in there. Then just stir it all up. And then I'll just try a bite quick too. Yeah, that's really good. So if you like this and you want more videos, just like my video and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.